Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change Reddit avatar. So if you want to change your Reddit avatar, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Reddit mobile application. Once you will do it, log into your account and click on the left top on your profile or the avatar, and then from the bottom you have to click on the settings. Once you will do it, here you will see create avatar, so you have to click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see featured, so you can use featured avatar, or you can simply create your own by using face, colors, tops, bottoms, head, body. So this is the procedure to create or change Reddit avatar. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.